Hello there, I'm Jordi from JorDinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making rock cakes. This is a great recipe for everyone who loves to bake, an easy and delicious recipe. They're also really great to eat with your tea. Add your cold cubed butter. Add your flour and baking powder with a little bit of salt to the butter. Rub the butter in the flour and make sure you have a sand-like consistency like I have here. When you've done that, throw in the sugar and mix it together. Toss in an egg. And your sultanas. I use 200 grams of sultanas, but you can use a little bit less, but just how you like it. When the dough comes together, it's basically done. Don't overmix it. Butter your muffin tray or spray it with cooking spray. Make little balls of the dough and divide them in equal pieces. Before putting them in the oven, sprinkle some sugar over the top. The sugar will caramelize really nice. When they're out of the oven, some of the sultanas will be burned. Throw these ugly things away and let the cakes cool. And that's it! You made your own rock cakes. Thanks for watching. Enjoy baking and see you next time at your dinner.